Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a couple of Louis Vuitton items that I got for Christmas. I'm also sharing some of the things that I picked up during the after Christmas sales. Some of them are really good finds, so make sure you stay tuned till the end. So let's jump right into it because I've been waiting to unbox these with you. These are Christmas gifts that I purchased for myself, and I used some of the Christmas money that I received to buy one of them, and we'll start with that one because it's more like a Christmas gift from others. So I picked up a Louis Vuitton bandeau, and I just love the colors of this bandeau. It's more pastel colors, so this baby blue color and the white color. And then on the other side, it goes from pink to beige. And I think this will look really nice on a lot of my handbags, particularly the ones that I wear in the spring and the summer. For example, I really bought this with my Damier Azur Neverfull in mind because it has this really pretty pink lining on the inside. And so I thought this bandeau would look really pretty on this particular handbag, like tied on the handles in a bow. And I just think all of these colors complement this bag so well, from the white and the pink and the beige and the blue or the azure color. And I've been wanting this scarf for a while, ever since I first bought this handbag a few months ago, and I can't wait to wear it in the springtime when I start using this bag again. On to the next one. I picked up the Louis Vuitton cosmetic purse. So this is a newer item for Louis Vuitton, I think within the last couple of months. It's shaped like a regular cosmetic pouch, except it's the mini version, and it comes with this little strap which you can hook on to make it a wristlet. I also like how the strap is detachable, so what I'm thinking about doing is adding like a gold chain to it to make it a little more, I don't know, elevated, I guess. When it was released, I was on the fence about buying it because I wasn't sure if it would be too small, but when I looked at it in the store and put a couple of things inside, I was convinced that it was something that would be very useful in my smaller bags. On the inside, we just have these retail tags. So this is what it is. And just the textile card. And I thought it was interesting. When I saw it in the store, I was expecting it to have the beige wipeable lining, but it has this microfiber lining on the inside. So I think I have to kind of be careful of what I put inside of it so that nothing spills and damages the lining. But when I did see that it was a microfiber lining, I was more intrigued. And so I can't wait to see how much I can fit inside and give a full review of it, which is coming soon. But yeah, I'm so glad that I bought this. I think I will have a lot of uses for it. I'm so glad I pulled the trigger and picked this up. One more thing that I got for Christmas that I want to share with you because I thought they were so cute are these Steve Madden slippers. And this is what they look like. I love these. I am a sucker for a cute slipper. When I saw these, I had to put them on my Christmas list, and somebody actually got them for me. And they are so soft and just so comfy and whimsical and luxurious. I can't remember how much they were. Maybe 40 bucks, but I think they are well worth the money. So of course I did go shopping after Christmas. If you know anything about me, you know that I'm a shopper and I love a good sale. So the first thing that I picked up was heavily inspired by Will McCason. He's a YouTuber. I don't know if you've ever seen his channel, but he is awesome. And I've recently been kind of binge watching his channel over the holidays because he's been doing Vlogmas. One of his videos was about what he was wearing to a Christmas party. He wore this green velvet blazer. And so when I saw this in the store, I immediately thought about him and it is this black velvet blazer by Ralph Lauren, and it is everything. I love this blazer. It's soft, it's really good quality, it's just very classic and chic. I can imagine myself wearing this to a holiday party, of course, or just any event. And I like how this can be a very classic and versatile piece. I can either go androgynous with it and wear it with like a pair of slacks or tuxedo pants or leather pants with even maybe like a tie and just go very kind of masculine. Or I can lean more feminine and wear it with a lace skirt or a tall skirt or a pair of jeans and heels. So I was super excited by this find. It was regularly priced $325 and I got it for about 40% off. So it was $170. And this is something that I imagine being in my closet for a very long time. I picked this up from Nordstrom, and the next few items are also from Nordstrom. This next item is a sheer bomber jacket, and I just thought this would look cute over like a special occasion dress maybe that is sleeveless or maybe spaghetti strap, just to have some coverage for your arms, but you can kind of still see your skin through it. And it would be really good in the summertime, maybe at night, if you're wearing something that's sleeveless and you want a little bit of coverage over your arms because maybe it's a little cooler outside at nighttime. I think this was around $62 on sale. The next item I picked up was this travel scarf. And believe it or not, I don't have any black or gray scarves in my wardrobe. And I like that you can either wear it as a shawl or a scarf. So this is something that would be good on airplanes. If you travel and you get a little cool on the plane, you can use it as a wrap. This wasn't on sale. I believe it was $49. But it's something that I've been wanting. This next item is an off-season item. It's actually from summer. And so when I saw it, I thought it was really beautiful. And I have some travel coming up this year to tropical locations, so this will be perfect for that. And it is this really pretty cover up by La Blanca. I've never heard of them, but I think they're a swim line. And this cover up, all these colors and this pattern are just beautiful to me. So I bought it in anticipation of my upcoming trips this year. This was on sale for $89, regular price $150. This one was a little more than I would usually spend on a cover up, but like anything that I buy, I find multiple uses for everything. So even though this is a swimsuit cover up, this is going to be worn with other things. Also, in the spirit of my upcoming trips this year, I tell you, everybody's having a milestone birthday this year and they want a destination birthday trip. So this is a strapless mesh dress. Look at those colors, that teal and that fuchsia, so pretty. I got this for $40. And they had a couple of other colors, I think like black and a lavender color. But this was actually my favorite of the colors. It's sold out now, but oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. And the last thing I got from Nordstrom was this Zella. They call it a utility dress, but it's like a tank dress with pockets and this cinched waist. And I think this would just be such a casual dress to just kind of throw on with some tennis shoes and run your errands in the summertime. It was only $30 on sale, so I thought, what the heck? I'm always in need of kind of like a throw-on summer dress. And before I forget, this denim shirt that I'm wearing is also something that I picked up during the after Christmas sales from Mango. I mean, I have a ton of denim shirts, denim jackets, but I thought this one was cute because of the little tie front, which I'm starting to second guess because it takes a lot to get the tie to look right. This one was $49.99 from Mango. The next few items I picked up from Nordstrom Rack. And if you didn't know, if you have a Nordstrom card and you shop at Nordstrom Rack, you get additional 5% off. They were having their Clear the Rack sale. I picked up these silver patent kitten heel shoes from Bandolino. Believe it or not, I don't have any silver heels. Over the last year, I've been wanting some because I've been wearing outfits that really would have looked good with a silver pair of heels, and I didn't have any. I like that the heel isn't too high because in my advanced age, those 4-inch heels ain't doing it for me and my knees anymore. They're a kitten heel, but they're not too kitten. I feel like these are like a 2-inch heel, and so it makes it not so old ladyish. And then I really like the bow and the design of the cross strap on these. These were $49.97, and I think that's an okay price for these. The next item I picked up is this leopard wool coat by Michael Kors. This was one of the Clear the Rack deals, and at Nordstrom Rack, the Clear the Rack items aren't returnable. So I had to really make sure that I liked it before I bought it, and I really do. For years, I've been wanting a leopard coat, and I think this is the perfect leopard coat for me. And I think it's because the leopard print is darker and smaller and more subtle, not so in your face. And it's a 3/4 length wool coat, so it's not long, which would kind of make the leopard print a little more overwhelming. But yeah, I really like this. The next item that I picked up from the rack was this long coat again, in this really pretty cream color and black check pattern. And when I first saw this, I thought it was a coat, and it is described on the website as a coat, but it's actually a coat again because there's no lining, and as you can see, it's like a sweater material. But it's really soft. It has like this brushed fur material, and so I thought this was cute. It was $84.97. Really nice for maybe the warmer winter days or the cooler fall time. And I'm just like looking so forward to wearing this. I might wear it today. The next item I picked up was from Marshall's, and it is this long blazer type jacket. It was only $22 on clearance, and I think this would look really good for work with a pair of jeans or a pair of slacks. Even though I wish the inside was the same color as the outside, I still thought it was a really good deal for $22. All right, so that's what I picked up during the holidays. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.